Yo, it's the game, man, and I'm hanging with the Bomb Squad DJs. Don't nobody do it on the ones and twos like they do, man.
Hard liquor. Hard liquor.
DJ exclusive.
Is there any more? Hard liquor. Make sure that it's mixed and twisted with a little bit of lemon juice on ice, on ice, on ice. Yeah.
Exclusive. You know me, I turn them 40 bottles upside down. Like niggas with dead homies till it's empty like my 4 pound. Niggas thinking I'm drunk, reach for my NWA chain and get your ass beat with the pump. Tell security it's game plus 50. Any problem, he get fucked up every night like Bobby DeWitt. Fuck poppin' Cristal, I got a bottle of Henny. And me and my nine stay together like Hardaway and Lil Penny. I ain't here so you can ask about M or Dre. I came to see some bitches shake their ass like Beyonce. So let me be hoe for a minute. Get up in your hoe for a minute. You could be my hoe for a minute. Like I'm Diddy, BJ Low for a minute. From the windows to the wall, get low while I'm in it. All I gotta do is hit him with a Jay-Z line. Like you deserve to be my sunshine.
On the floor, she's sexy. Tell her where the party is, but make sure that you see her friends before.
I spend $100, take a bitch to the Hyatt, then treat her like Buster, light her ass on fire. I'm a gangster, ma. I wanna see you wiggle your butt cheeks, both hands around your ankles, ma. All I wanna see is ass and titties, shake it like they do in Magic City when T.I. and that motherfucker. I'm like 50 P.I. in this motherfucker. You see them gold D's on that Porsche truck, I'll show you why gangsters fuck. My 45 to the back of your weed, both of your arms in handcuffs. Take a bottle of Cisco to the head, see how you like getting fucked with a pistol to your head. Tell your girls how I fucked your brains out. We can do a menage a trois, pull the whips and chains out. I tear that frame out. I ain't no stunt man, I pull that range out.
On the floor.
Turn me up some. Yo. Yo, give me some room, I'm throwing elbows. Timberland boots, Air Force and shell toes. Who the fuck is them? If I gotta pay to get in the club, I'ma go pop the trunk and turn the street volume up to 10. I ain't on the guest list, I ain't VIP. I snuck in the exit, learning DIP. My dress code is all black when I'm making the moves, similar to the new PlayStation 2. I can't help it if the club only packing a G and the fire marshal wanna shut it down at 3. And you ballin' ass niggas is dressed to kill, but a hole showing the toes with extra heels. I gotta get in, I drove here with a car load of bitches charged on Belvedere. My niggas hit the cells that the line is thick, so I drive the 500 through the door to bitch.
Yo, Red, what's up, man? Hey, they ain't trying to let you get in the club. Yo, DJ Cool to the rest.
Check it, I'm the fucking man, who the match it? Notice that other niggas rap styles is broken. Doo-doo, compared to this versatile voodoo. Now somebody said it's on, if it is then I'll be set to blow a nigga up with my 5 fingers of death. I bring it to his whole damn fam.